Radha Solar, one of the leading manufacturer of solar Amla dryer in India. Our organization also concerns with designing, manufacturing and supplying solar Amla dryer. Solar Amla dryer removes unnecessary moisture from the product with retention of original color and taste, as well as keeps the product free from any environmental factor, dust, dirt, animal or bird droppings. Working principle Radha Solar uses best technology, combining principles of conduction, convection, and radiation to dehydrate material, thus giving one of the highest drying efficiency in the world, resulting in the highest productivity for the given solar collector area. Solar dryer technology. Solar drying is carried out mostly for drying purpose of products, hence solar drying works as a best moisture confiscating agent which prevents the products from getting decomposed. Radha Solar is proud to present Solar Dryer SD1000, a noble and eco-friendly way to address the needs of small-scale food processing industries. Want to install solar dryer in India? We manufacture all types of solar dryers in bulk order quantity. Radha Solar, the solar dryer manufacturer, supplier and exporter in India. You can dry solar fruit and vegetable, etc., and many other agro products that anything you want to dry for free energy. Different types of solar dryers are available with us. Solar power dryer as a source of renewable energy is very useful in drying food items. Many places in rural India as well as urban India do not get sufficient power supply throughout the day. In such places, solar dryer can be a useful device for drying food items hygienically. Apart from solar radiation and natural convection of air currents in the dryer, one more feature has been added to improve the drying of fruits and vegetables. The feature is based on simultaneous generation of electricity by a solar panel and using it for creating an induced draft of air by fans installed in the dryer. These installed exhaust fans are run to force moisture-laden air outside the dryer. This dryer achieves sufficiently high chamber temperature and dries product in accelerated manner. For more details, call the number given on your screen.